Hey everyone, if you're looking to sell on Amazon and you're looking for the perfect product, let me tell you one thing right now, right? It doesn't exist. It does not exist. Everyone's looking for the one product that's going to make them a ton of money. You know, the $1 million product, they put it up there and go, that's going to be the $1 million product. And if I just bring that product in and sell that on Amazon, you know, I don't need to worry about anything else. Well, let me tell you guys, it really does not exist. Okay, there's two types of products, right? There's the profitable product, and then there's the profitable product, right? The $1 million product or the perfect product doesn't really exist. You know, it's the products that make you money, and then there's products that don't make you money, right? You just got to focus on the ones that make you money. So if the one thing that's holding you back right now from starting something on Amazon is you're looking for that perfect product, you're waiting, your fingers crossed, you're hoping, and you're just waiting to pounce on that perfect product, it does not exist. You're way better on getting started, doing something, jumping on a product, right? Even if it's not the perfect product, even if it only makes a little bit of money, all right? It doesn't need to make a whole ton of money, but if it makes a little bit of money and you list it on Amazon and you learn the process, that's better than doing nothing at all. I'm sure you would agree, right? It's much better to do something imperfectly than to not do it at all and be what we call an armchair Amazon seller, right? You don't want to be at home and go, you know, 5 years down the track, oh, I wish I brought that in, that made so and so much money, or I wish I brought that product in, it's so hot right now. Guys, you're better off doing something right now. You're better off doing something, pushing yourself in the direction and listing something on Amazon, even if it only makes you maybe $1,000 a month, right? Than doing nothing at all, because you want to learn the entire process. You want to learn the process. So if you list a couple of products on Amazon and it makes a little bit of money, great, right? Learn the process, and then finally when the perfect product or the ideal product more like comes along, you're ready for it. You're ready to take action. You know the entire process, and bam, you can list it real quick. So guys, that's the tip of the day. That's the tip right now. It's do something, all right? Do something. Head yourself in the right direction right now and actually list their product on Amazon, and it doesn't have to be the perfect product. Now, I'm not saying list anything on Amazon. I'm saying do some proper research, obviously. You know, you have to look and see, make sure that it is actually making a little bit of money, right? But do something, work in the right direction, right? Do something small towards your goal. Now, if you want to find out more information about how to start an Amazon business where you can literally work from anywhere. I'm actually in the Greek islands right now, right? It's a beautiful scenery out there. You've got Mykonos over there in the far distance. I'm heading to Santorini in a few days from now, and I'm actually running my business here. If you're looking to run a business or looking for a business that you can run anywhere like this, right? Then guys, check out my webinar. I've got a free training at my website, and also speak to one of my team members today. We've got a big team that can help you, that can find out whether or not Amazon is for you. Now, it's not for everyone, right? But if you want to find out if it's for you, then don't forget, visit my website, book in a free 30-minute chat with one of my team members, and we'll be looking forward to helping you and speaking to you, any day soon. So my name's Alex Ryan, guys. Have an awesome time, and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products, and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer, it's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?